What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of OnePlus 10T smartphone to see how much time it's going to take in charging from 0% to 100% using the charger that comes in the retail box. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this testing purpose, we will use this official OnePlus 160 watt charger and this another smartphone for timer purpose. Right now the battery is totally dead of our OnePlus 10T. As you can see, it's not even booting. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So it's turning on after 45 seconds. SuperVOOC 150 watt. So as you can see, it is charging pretty fast, 6% in nearly 2 minutes. 27% after 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's at 48%. So after 15 minutes, it's at 69%. %90% exactly after 20 minutes. %97% after 22 minutes. 98%. And it's 23 minutes 35 seconds that our OnePlus 10T took to reaching from 0% to 100%. We can reduce 1 minute from this 23 minutes 36 seconds because for 1 minute the device was not charging at all because the battery was totally dead. So in normal condition, usually you will start charging your device from 1% when the device is still turned on or it just got switched off. In my case, the device was left dead for more than 2 days just to totally drain the battery from the device, and that's why it took a minute to start charging the battery. And even in the beginning, for a while, the battery was not charging quickly. But still, 22 minutes is pretty impressive numbers for a 4800 mAh battery, and it is pretty close to the numbers of OnePlus as well, performed in the ideal condition. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.